it's Heather with Life with Heather G, and I'm here because I have 3 different boxes today. I have my Kinder Beauty, I have my Allure, and I have my Ipsy. So I got the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus not that long ago, and now I have the regular Ipsy. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox all of these so I don't have to do 3 separate videos. And we're gonna start with my Ipsy. I always think that their bags are so cute. And I do use these all the time when I go like traveling. I use like 3 or 4 of them because I'll separate like my brushes in one, my skincare in another, my makeup in another. So I use several of them when I travel. Anyways, the first thing I have is the Farrah, and it is a foundation brush. And I've gotten a couple from them recently in the Farrah, and I really have been enjoying those, so I definitely want to use that. The next thing is the Air Amar Pacific Treatment Enzyme Peel Powder. So it must be a powder you put in your hands. Let's see. It's in a cute little jar. Yeah, it's a powder. I don't know if you can see that. But you must put it in your hand and like maybe mix it with some water or something to put on your face. Anyways, I've never heard of that brand, but I will try that. Next thing is, brand is called This Works, and I have had this one before. This is the Transit Camera Close Up Mask, Moisturizer, Primer in one. That's a lot of claims, a mask, moisturizer, and a primer. And I have used this because I have another sample, and I do actually really like this, so that is nice. And then the next one is Gloss Me. It's a hair oil. Again, great for travel or beach bag. That's what I always think of when I have like hair oils, leave-in conditioners, and sunscreen. Okay, last product is Latte London. And this is a translucent powder. I have not heard of this brand, but I use translucent powder all the time, so I will use that. Their little card says sending love. So it kind of goes with the theme of the little letter bag, which is so cute. We're gonna go ahead and go into the Allure. I did see one of the spoilers for this one, and it had like a cream in here that was worth like $148. So I'm gonna dig in and get that one first. Again, it comes with the card, and it will tell you prices of your items and a little bit about each one. And I will post that when I edit my video again. This one is the one I seen, and it is called, I think it's U Beauty, and it's resurfacing compound. It has a lot of claims on this one. It says, oh, I seen it. Hold on, I know where I seen it. There's a little card in here. That's right, because I seen somebody read it. It says that it is obviously clean, vegan, no GMOs, cruelty-free, non-toxic, fragrance-free, so it has no fragrant. But the other side has that you're 1 pump away from brighter, tighter, and more revitalized looking skin. The resurfacing compound replaces skin brightener, exfoliators, retinol, vitamin C, toner, antioxidants, and in a single step. So like that's a lot of things, because I do use, you know, an exfoliator, a brightener. I use, I have some things with retinol. I use vitamin C, and I use ones with antioxidants. So this is saying that it replaces all of that. And the packaging is super pretty. And then it has the little pump up here. So we'll see. Sometimes I get really expensive creams and I'm not impressed. So we'll see. And I do know this one was like $148 because it was one of the spoilers that I did see. So I did check it out. Anyways, I like that. The next thing is the Christoph Robin. And you know, if you've watched any of my videos, that I love this brand. I have gotten their shampoo, but it looks like it's in like a little tub. It's like almost like an oil. You kind of dig it out with your hands and you rub it into your scalp and then through your hair. But it's actually shampoo. It's really cool. They have some really neat products. But this one looks like it's a daily hair cream with sandalwood. So it's like a leave-in treatment for your ends. It says split in, control, and repair. So I love that brand. Next one is Athelios Melt-in Milk Sunscreen by La Roche-Posay, which I've heard of that brand, but I haven't used a lot of stuff. It says it's 100 SPF, which I don't know if you really need 100 SPF, but you know, it can't hurt your face. So we'll try that. And again, I always think beach bag when I think this. Okay, next thing is Floss Lip Advocate. So it's a lip product. Let's see the color. Again, looks like a color I would use. It's more that mauve-y, almost like the color I have on right now again, which I love because I have not been getting any reds and like hot pinks. But we'll see. Next one. This is funny because we just got one in Ipsy, a different product but the same brand, Allure Pacific. So same brand I just got in Ipsy, but that one was a powder enzyme treatment. And this one looks like it is a treatment cleansing foam. So now I can try two things from that product, or that product line, I should say. All right, and last thing in my Allure is a sheet mask. And you guys know I love sheet masks. 100% pure cotton sheet mask for refreshed, youthful looking skin. Revitalizing mask by Matica Derma. Not sure if I tried anything from that brand before. You never know. I've gotten so many things, but I love sheet masks. And I know I see a lot of you ladies doing like the Mask Monday, and I always think of doing that just because I do masks all the time. And I do love them. In fact, I did one from Arbonne. If you guys have ever heard of Arbonne, I did one of those not that long ago and I was super impressed. So I will definitely be trying this. Anyways, that is all for the Allure. Again, I will post prices when I edit. And we have one more box. Okay, I am back and I have my absolute favorite box. So this is definitely by far probably my favorite box. And I think more because they have interesting things always in here. Things that I maybe have never tried, but also things that are natural, organic, vegan, cruelty-free, all the goods. Even their box, you know, recycling. The paper that they use inside is recycling. They don't put prices in here, but you can look them up online and get prices. But they also use like the paper, which a lot of people are doing that now. So let's get in. First item we have is Josephine. And it looks like it is a matte liquid lip, which I don't always like matte liquid lips because my skin is so dry that it just feels like it sucks the moisture out of my, it's really beautiful packaging though. I love that. Really pretty. But the color on this one is super bright. And I'm gonna show you because I did have to record this portion over again, so I did see what was in this box because my sound didn't work when I did it. When I first filmed, my sound was off. So I don't know what happened, but like I messed it up. But I did put a little sample of this on here. I put it on there a while ago and it definitely stays on. And it's not a bad color. It's a little brighter than I usually would do, but not bad. And the packaging is so gorgeous. Anyways, next thing is the Jubel Oil Aromatherapy on the Go, which I'm all about doing essential oils. I usually get mine from Young Living, but I love it. And this is just like a little roller ball that you can put on, and it says balancing. So perfect balance. So I do love those. And this is why I like Kinder Beauty, I'll tell you. I get unique things in here that I wouldn't, well, that I don't get in any other subscription box. Let's just say that. But it's toothpaste. So one of them, it says Awaken, it says on the back here, but it says one of them is Awaken with the Early Bird. It's wintergreen and peppermint. And this is Unwind with Twilight, peppermint, vanilla, and lavender. So it's funny because it's like they have a day and night toothpaste, which is crazy. Anyways, and then it has this on the back that just says kind of what it does and what's special about it. But again, natural product. So I like this. I like this because I never get toothpaste in my Ipsy. Not that that's a bad thing, but like I just love this box because it's a little different. Next item is All Good Sport Sunscreen, which again, summer is gonna be here sooner than later, and these are great for beach bags. So I don't mind getting sunscreen. Okay, so the last item in this box is awesome. So again, I have seen these products because I had to refilm this, but I was super excited about this one. So it says 4 Sigmatic Mushroom Cocoa Mix. I mean, how different is that? I mean, how often do you get that in a box? It's so crazy. Anyway, and I'm not really sure what that ingredient is, but I have been seeing that on a lot of things, so I'll have to do some research into that. Anyways, this is, again, Kinder Beauty is definitely my favorite box. It's just interesting, natural, organic products. And I did get this color I probably will not use, but it's the only makeup product I got in here, which I like. Honestly, though, this month, a lot of times I get a lot of skincare in here. And honestly, this month we really didn't get any skincare. I mean, just the SPF 30 sunscreen. There was no skincare, so definitely different than their norm even. Which I like because I got skincare last time and I still have to have time to use that. So I'm very thankful that they put this stuff. And this is all this stuff I'll use. Toothpaste, cocoa, sunscreen, and this rollerball oil thing I can stick in my purse. Yeah, anyways, I love it. So that is all for all these boxes. Thank you for hanging and letting me get all these out of the way. I didn't feel like filming 3 different videos, so I just clumped them all together this time. But you'll have to let me know down below whether you like it when I just do one at a time or if you like it when I do a few, because I may do that more often. It fits into my lifestyle a little bit better. Anyways, we will see you guys next unboxing. Bye.